Welcome to another video from the Healthy by Nature channel. Here you will find tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally. For that, just sign up. It won't cost more than a few seconds only. Also activate bell and you will be notified whenever we release a video. Leave your like and share with more people, so everyone will have access to more knowledge. Hello. In today's video we are going to talk about a form of physical activity that will improve your health and naturally tone your muscles, calisthenics. This training modality is one of the favorites for body definition. It is intense and the results are visible in a short time. Calisthenics, from the Greek kalos, which means beauty, and sthenos, which means strength, is a set of physical exercises in which you use your own body weight, with the possibility of adding extra weight or not. Try to move muscle groups naturally, without using dumbbells and the like. The methodology emerged with Phocion Hierocleus in the 19th century, in mid-1822. He was a gymnastics teacher and published a book whose title is Calisthenics, Exercises for Beauty and Strength. It was at that moment that he published his methods of rhythmic-free exercise with body weight. Calisthenics is a training method whose objective is to promote muscular resistance in a natural way, in which it does not use weight equipment like the gym, much less requires a court like volleyball or tennis. It is because of this freedom that the methodology gains more followers every day and, in fact, has become a lifestyle. By the way, there is a difference between weight training at home and the training method we are covering that we need to clarify. Bodybuilding is done with the help of dumbbells and weight plates, while the other practice is equipment-free. In addition, the focus of each of them is different. While weight training promotes hypertrophy, calisthenics provides definition. Understanding what you seek as a personal objective is essential. Since a calisthenics practitioner cannot have a large muscle volume, this characteristic makes it difficult to perform free movements because it becomes heavier to perform the exercises and causes more impact. Benefits of practicing calisthenics. Like all exercise practices, this methodology also promotes numerous physical and mental benefits, including physical conditioning through muscular resistance, flexibility, balance, and concentration. With this in mind, we list the main benefits of this practice and why this modality is so successful. 1. Strength, and lots of it. The first benefit of all is strength, which is already stimulated during the first training session so that the results are visible. This strength is essential to execute movements with the correct cadence, angle, and quantity. So keep training even after your muscles start burning, that's what makes them stronger. 2. Body awareness and motor coordination. Body awareness and motor coordination are improved as it is necessary to have control over each muscle in the body, not just a specific one. For example, your legs and abdomen are contracted when you do push-ups, the same happens with fixed and parallel bars. Consequently, awareness of each part of the body becomes very clear and concise. This way it is possible to control each movement with precision. 3. Spatial notion. This benefit follows the same lineage as the previous one, but in turn it goes abroad. It works like this: when performing the movements, you mentally calculate the distance between the body, bar, ground, and any obstacle, if there is one. Therefore, this spatial notion is greatly improved and has a positive impact on everyday life. 4. Muscle definition, with symmetry. While bodybuilders are giants, calisthenics are defined, and that's amazing too. With this methodology it is possible to burn the fat layer. This allows power and speed to perform the exercises. What's more, you already have a toned and symmetrical body. You don't run the risk of just having disproportionately developed arms or legs. 5. Freedom. It is not necessary to limit yourself to one physical space to perform exercises such as a gym, CrossFit, or swimming. The most he uses during a calisthenics session is a fixed or parallel bar, which is also rotated among all practitioners. It's great for those who love adventures. After all, you can practice each day in one place. You're free to choose where. 6. Economy. It is economical as there is no cost of registration, monthly fees, or equipment. You just need to have your own body and willingness to start. In fact, with these two elements you already have what you need to achieve the benefits of calisthenics. Discover the 4 main exercises and their variations. We have talked several times throughout the text about the movements and exercises of the method, and now the time has come to understand in more detail what they are. In short, they are functional gymnastics practiced outdoors and without artistic movements. As expected, the movements require a lot of stability and concentration, which is why they involve core strengthening exercises, mainly. Let's get to know some basic calisthenics exercises. 1. Fixed bar. The chin-up bar is the most common among the exercises, and the technique to perform it is very simple. Take a look. Just hold the bar with your palm facing forward, more or less at shoulder height, and lift your body. The basic movement is to move your chin over the bar. As your strength and physical conditioning increase, you can move it up to your waist. Furthermore, the chin-up goes far beyond this movement. For advanced calisthenics, the fixed bar is used to do infra-abdominals, ladders, and isometrics in a horizontal position. 2. Push-up. Another exercise that is among the main ones is the push-up and all its variations, to name a few: traditional, diamond, inclined and declined, clapping your hands underneath or behind your back. All of these executions, except the traditional one, are aimed at intermediate to advanced calisthenics, as they require a lot of motor coordination, strength, concentration, and reflex, especially in the variation of clapping on the back. For beginners, it is interesting to do the traditional movement and, if it is still difficult, do it with your knees on the floor or the earthworm movement, hitting your chest on the floor and lifting your body afterwards. Push-ups strengthen the abdomen, chest, shoulders, triceps, biceps, and back depending on the frequency of training. Therefore, the body itself soon feels confident in performing the variations mentioned above. 3. Parallel bar. The parallel bar consists of holding 2 bars, one next to the other, and lowering your body with your legs bent or straight. This body suspension promotes the development of the shoulder, chest, and triceps, and this movement is one of the most effective for these regions. One tip is to do isometric movements in different positions. 4. Plank. Finally, the plank, which many people complain that time doesn't pass by. Well, in calisthenics this movement is basic and fundamental to prepare the body for the other isometries. Therefore, it is essential to train the high and low plank, as well as the lateral, kneeling and unilateral planks. For advanced players, staying in the plank position is easy, which is why they suspend their legs from the floor and keep them in isometrics until they fail. In addition to providing a better quality of life, calisthenics can provide physical and mental benefits, like any other exercise. On the physical side, this modality can allow you to burn calories and gain muscle mass. But it is always worth highlighting that, in calisthenics, burning calories is easier to achieve than gaining muscle mass. And both will depend on the intensity and volume of exercises you perform. On the psychological spectrum, like other physical activities, calisthenics can help you reduce stress and provide a feeling of well-being. But it's worth remembering, this mental part will only be effective if you don't allow calisthenic training to become a cause for anxiety. This is because the search for rapid advancement can be part of many people's experience, and this ends up making it difficult to enjoy the practice. Respect your pace. Gradual advancement can be a great way to understand how your body works and improve your body awareness. To determine a training that suits your objective in practice, it is important to seek qualified professional guidance. This way, you don't run the risk of betting on a load and types of exercises that don't correspond to what you're looking for and what your body tolerates. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.